You know me can't talk when people are around me. Yeah man, you make me shy now. Say don't think YouTubers are shy? Huh? I'm an idiot if I'm shy. I can be shy. Hey beautiful people, how are you doing today? It's your girl Renee here again with another video where we transform, create, DIY and decorate. In this week's video I'll be showing you 3 simple easy DIY that you can tackle yourself. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get into the first DIY. The first DIY, I'll be making this knot sculpture. It was actually inspired by my friend that used a piece of foam from a steering wheel to make hers. I went on West Elm to see different designs and I saw that they were really pricey at $60. So here you see me fold the foam in half and then I bring it under to create a knot. It's very easy. You can create any type of knot or any shape of your choice. It's very easy to create. Once you create that knot, you then proceed to the next step. For the other foam, I actually don't remember where I got this piece from, but here I will be just create a random knot as well until I get a shape that I like. You can tie it any way that please you. I chose this way. You'll see me going in and change it a couple times until I get the desired shape. Once you get that desired shape, you can move on to the paint process. So for the painting process, I have paint and baking soda. The baking soda will give it that little textured look so that it don't really look plain like a foam. Also, I learned the hard way using spray paint, as I tried spray paint on foam before and it really melted the foam, so please do not try that. So after you create your paint color that of your choice, you go in and paint your foam. So after I finished paint, I went in with some Mod Podge to seal it and to give that gloss look. So you can use a Mod Podge at the end of your drying process to seal the paint and to give it that sheen. Let me know how they turned out to you. Please comment if you like them. Now for the next DIY, I'll be creating a leaf decor tray. This inspiration actually came to me when I was sitting and I saw a leaf drop from the tree. It was actually a mango tree, so this is the leaf. But what I did, I tried some random leaves before to see how best I would get this tray together. What I tried first was white cement. I made a light batter and I made a thick batter, but then I realized that both of them didn't work. So the next option I'm trying here now is Mod Podge. So here I clean the leaves with alcohol and then I'll be going in to use a Mod Podge on the leaf. After adding the Mod Podge and allowing it to dry, I went in with some paint. I use white paint and I add baking soda to it. I try to add enough baking soda so that I can get a thickness that I'm looking for this tray. You realize that the Mod Podge give it a seal and a sheen. So here I'm going in and I will also give it 3 coats of paint each of the leaves. After adding the 3 coats of paint, I went back in and sealed it with some Mod Podge, and then I decided to just add a little bling to it. Now this tray you can use to put your jewelry on, whatever you want. You can just use it to decorate. Hope you like it. Please comment below if you like it. Now for the final decor. I call it the Jacks Decor because I look right through on Google. I look on different shopping sites to find it. I search via picture and I still can't find the name. So if you know the name, please comment below so I can get the name of this decor. Now I like this decor and my friend gave me these Chinese dominoes. I saw her created a similar one as well, and I decided that I'm going to replicate it here with this domino. So you shape it out into a cross, then you will add one in the top middle and one in the other side middle. Just watch and see, it's very easy to do. You can use any square board or rectangular board of your choice. But here I'll be using these Chinese dominoes that I received. So after I finish paint both of them, I let them dry and then I just add a little touch of spray paint on one of them and the other one I sprayed white. Here is the finished product. I hope you like them. Please comment below which one was your favorite. Seeing that you made it to the end of this video, please comment which one was your favorite DIY. Also, you may click the next video so you can see how to decorate your rental space or small space with simple home decor techniques. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe so that YouTube can see that your girl is working and it push out my video more. Thanks again. See you next time.